Interesting fact, recent AT&T research shows that 9 out of 10 people admit to using their smartphone while driving, and nearly 4 in 10 admit that distracted driving is a habit. Yes, these numbers are alarming, and I get it. After reviewing smartphones for 10 plus years, I know that we love our phones for what they can do. But one thing that I will tell you, phones were not designed to be used while driving. AT&T has had one of the most persistent campaigns to remind us that it can wait. And we thank them for taking this so seriously that they sent a package and they even sponsored this video. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and let's dive into the experience and learn some more facts. You know, as tech influencers, I love it when we have a chance to take a break from our review programming and talk about more important things. This campaign alone has taught me a ton of things that have made me really proud to be part of it. So remember those 9 out of 10 people? Well, nearly a quarter of them don't see that phone use while driving is a major problem. A crazy 60% admit to sending emails while behind the wheel, and the crazy 36% watch and stream videos. Thing is, all it takes is a split second for everything to go really wrong, and that's what this package was all about. The box I received is rather large and includes some interesting essentials. It has all the latest gear for me to experience this in VR. The whole idea was to snap everything together, and there's an interesting video included within, and seriously, the best way to experience it was through VR. The video shows a couple of different simulated scenarios on how just a tiny little distraction, just a quick moment, can not just put your life in danger, but also risk the lives of others driving around you, or pedestrians. The video shows some touching cases where people share their experiences and let us know how it's been, either victims of crashes or worse, people that have caused the accidents. The experience is extremely moving, and for me even more because I don't know if you knew this, but 3 years ago I nearly lost my life. I put my son's life in danger, and I put a lot of other people's lives in danger because I fell asleep at the wheel. I was lucky, and yes, the word is lucky, that I was the only person injured with second-degree burns in my left arm. All it took was a split second for me to slightly doze at the wheel. I hit another car, and even worse, at that time there were children coming out of school. This could have been terrible. So let me ask you this. Think about it. I mean, what's the difference between what happened to me, falling asleep at the wheel, and let's say you're distracted while driving because you're looking at your phone and not keeping your eyes on the road? Fact of the matter is, the risk is the same. This experience really changed my life. It changed my driving habits, and watching this video, watching It Can Wait, really brought me a positive reminder. One thing that I've learned is that these reminders actually help you retain those habits over time. AT&T's It Can Wait campaign is now 8 years strong. The VR experience will be touring more than 200 stops in 2018 to allow people across the country to truly grasp the reality of the dangers of this behavior. One of the reasons we feel so proud to be part of this is because research has proven that constant awareness helps. 57% of people are more likely to stop driving distracted if a friend or a passenger tells them to. So far, 23 million pledges have been made to not drive distracted. To help out, AT&T even created a free app called Drive Mode, and so far, It Can Wait has inspired a crazy 20 million downloads. So how about if we shake things up a bit for the question of the day? Let us know in the comments if you've experienced any case where you've noticed somebody being distracted while driving, or if that's happened to you, if you've been distracted while driving. And also let us know if you're willing to take the pledge for It Can Wait. At Pocketnow, we have definitely taken this pledge. While you're at that, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.